Hi, I'm Dr. Carter. Welcome to my channel. So today on my day off, we collected a barn owl, a juvenile barn owl, fledgling. It fell into a house. I suspect it hit an electric wire. So initially, you can see here, there doesn't seem to be any long bone injuries. The talents, they're pretty dangerous even at this size and pretty feisty. He's stretching a bit. It's okay, little one. Yep, so the wings are intact. Both legs are intact. Now it is in handling. There we go. Someone does not want to cooperate for the video making. So this is a juvenile barn owl. You can see the business end of things. Those talons are very sharp if they get you. It's a bit stressed. They are nocturnal, so the daylight is bothering it. Does not have any broken wings, does not have any broken limbs. He's actually well muscled. However, it did not fly off. It flew into someone's house yesterday and the parents did not come around. They released it last night. It did not fly off, so I'm gonna just probably a bit shaken up. We're gonna keep it for a couple days, nurse it back up to health and see if we can release it. So this is the start of the story. Hopefully we have another video coming where we do the release. See here, there's a very dark plume, dark brown. That's how you tell the difference with a juvenile or immature barn owl and an adult. An adult barn owl would have a very light, almost whitish looking plume. The size are relatively the same, but an adult holds itself a bit more upright, looks very confident with the chest. Juvenile looks a bit like it's not aware what's happening in the world. Now the other thing, if it was a new fledgling with nice soft downy plume, the normal process for barn owls would be they would fledge from the nest, that would they fly away. They would land on the ground or go in a tree, and the parents would come every night and feed them. They may do that for a week or two until they can fly away. But since this one is not recently fledged, there is no sign of downy plumes or soft white feathers. It most likely would have already passed that process and be on the second stage where it's trying to figure out life on its own. And unfortunately, it run into some troubles, which happens a lot. So hopefully we get it on the mend. Hopefully we get it back out there to the wild and we sort this out. Stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel, follow, like, comment anything you want to know about barn owls or any other wild animal species here in Grenada, and we'll get back to you. Thanks again. Thank you for cooperating.